think I'm live. I'm not sure. Hey, everyone. I'm not sure if I'm live or not. Oh, I think I am. Hey, it's What's Cooking. So because I tend to do breakfast, lunch, appetizers, I just decided, along with a few guru-y friends of mine, that that would be a better title. So anyway, I'm going to do something unique. So Philip Fredrickson, if he could make a comment in the comment section, this would help me a lot. Okay. Oh, I'm live. I see it on my screen. Anyway, so we'll skip worrying about him getting on, but hopefully he will. And I'm going to do something that I don't usually do, and I'm going to bake. But before I do, I want to send a shout out to our friend Akram. Akram has Time of Essence, which is an olive oil and za'atar business, and he does his farmers markets both in Little Italy as well as in Rancho Santa Fe. And as we all know, based on everything that is going on, that kind of business for our local farmers and our local providers. Hang on, Philip is on, so I'm going to see if I can do this. Hang on one second. I don't think I can. I don't know. Should be able to. Hang on. As we all know, based on everything that is going on, that kind of business for our local. Did you comment, Philip? Oh. Huh. There's a way to invite somebody into this Zoom, but I can't exactly figure out how to do it. One comment. Okay. Technical difficulty. And thanking Akram, he dropped this at our door the other day, this amazing extra virgin olive oil, a bag of za'atar, and I believe this is fresh za'atar, and it smells just delicious. So we have to support our local farmers markets. I know that Little Italy was open over the weekend, and I believe it'll be open again on Saturday, and they have a whole, physically distancing and only allowing one family member to attend. So that's something that I know that I can get him on here. Let me just try. I'm just curious to see if we know how to do this. Okay, so hang on one second. So here he is. I think I can do it. Extra virgin olive oil, a bag that I know that I can get him on here. Let me just try. I'm just curious to see if you know. I can't do it. That is hilarious. They said on Facebook you could do this, but it's not working. Darn it all. Okay, back to the farmer's market. So we are loving Akram from Time of Essence, and now we're going to make keto-friendly crackers, believe it or not. So 1 1/3 cups of almond flour. And our friend, speaking of small business owners that we need to support, our friend Sandra is our Sweet Thoughts. She has an amazing Sweet Thoughts business where she delivers custom baked goods. And I know there's so many of our bakers and our local businesses that are not getting anybody to order things because of birthdays and weddings and all of those things being postponed at the moment. So salt and now pepper. And in a separate bowl, I am going to whisk up this egg. Okay. Well, if you see Philip and I live on Facebook for no reason shortly, it's because I'm trying to figure out that technology. So with this keto cracker, I'm actually going to make it spicy. So I'm adding cayenne pepper. I'm going to add a lot because almond flour is kind of boring, and I'd rather have it spicy than less. And then I'm going to add a dash of Tabasco, more than a dash. And then I'm going to add a cup of shredded cheese to that. So that's all dry in there. You know, the thing about making stuff keto friendly is it's always really wet. So I've got parchment paper down here, and I borrowed a rolling pin from our neighbor because I don't have one. And so I usually use a wine bottle. So I think I'm going to put a little bit more salt in there because I wasn't paying attention. So we'll just add some more salt. I better figure out this technology of having someone else on my screen because Zoom is really challenging right now. It's like just spinning beach balls and not really functioning in the sense that you can have people join and then live stream to Facebook. Okay, 1 egg. Kind of crazy, right? Seems like you'd need more for that much almond flour. All right, so I'm going to stick that in there. Oh, the other thing we're going to have is we have fresh peaches that I'm going to bake, and I'm going to drizzle with some balsamic vinegar, bake them, and then slice avocado and here. Oh, Mackenzie. And this is burrata, and have some burrata cheese with that. This is just like a hot mess tonight. Can't do the technology. Mackenzie's barking at the neighbor. I'm baking, which is frightening in and of itself because that's not my vibe. So how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is staying healthy and safe, and things hopefully will get better soon where we can have more connectivity and less physical distancing. But at the moment, it doesn't sound like anything's really opening up for us, huh? So I don't know. This seems really dry. And I know that that's it on the ingredients. There's no water added. I wonder if I have to, touch it with my hands. I bet you I do. Huh. See if I can. Right now, it's pretty dry. Well, this could be an epic fail. Who knows? Oh no, it's coming together. It just needed the whole kind of hand to mash it together. So I've got the parchment paper down. I'm gonna dump this out on the parchment. And then what you do, I guess, because I'm not the baker, but my mom is a great baker. She's 97 years old. She retired at the age of 95. And she is at the villas on the lake in Conneaut, Ohio. And I'm telling you, she put herself there. She wanted to go, and she wishes she would have done it a lot sooner. And they are so awesome there. Man, they take such great care of our elderly people. Do all kinds of fun activities and really keep them engaged and happy and content. And they're doing a phenomenal job with the whole COVID thing. Oh, on the peaches with the burrata and the avocado, I'm also going to put some fresh mint on those. So hopefully that will be good. So a second piece of parchment paper, right here. Gonna lay that over, and then I'm gonna use this very unusual tool, and I'm supposed to roll this till it gets to be 1/8 of an inch. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. My niece makes, and my family has always made something from Croatia called malinca. And malinca is basically like egg, flour, salt, and that's it. And you roll this dough out. If Cindy sees me doing this, she's going to think I know how to make malinca. Trust me, I do not know how to make malinca. Luckily, she FedExes it because what happens is you make this really thin crackery type crust, and then you prick holes in it, you put it on a baking sheet, you bake it in the oven, and then you break it up in little pieces, and then at Thanksgiving or Christmas or holiday or what have you, you put it in a big pot of boiling water for a few minutes, drain it, and then you add the gravy, salt and pepper. Oh my goodness, it's homemade noodles like on steroids. It's so good. So anyway, see, now that she thinks I can borrow the neighbors, I don't know if this is going to work. And if Sandy is watching this, she made these the other day and posted on Facebook. And honest to God, she's got to post them on my wall. They are just beautiful. So, hey, Jerry, I'm trying to bake. This is not happening. My friend Jerry, he's been baking up a storm too. He's made cookies and he made a gluten-free cake. So I think, I don't know. You'll probably find out that I'm missing like 3 ingredients, but I don't think I am. All right, let's see. It's not very pretty. It's pretty crumbly. Oh, this is hilarious. All right, so then let's pretend that it's flat and it looks really good and it's not a mess like it is, but it's totally a mess. Then you take this pizza cutter, I'm sure they're supposed to be like in this beautiful rectangular shape. You take this pizza cutter and you make like little crackers, and then you transfer this onto the baking sheet. Okay. I'm just going to sign off on this hot mess because I'm either going to laugh myself silly. Anybody know what to do with loquats? We have loquats growing, and I've never done anything with a loquat before. So if anybody has a recipe for something delicious, and keep in mind, I don't bake, as you can tell. So what a mess I have going on. So if anybody knows what to do with loquats, that would be fantastic. And in the meantime, happy Monday to everybody. Support our local businesses. Last night we got takeout curbside from the Wrench and Rodent, and it was exhilarating to go to Oceanside because it's the first time I've been in the car for like a couple weeks, but yet it was really sad, like to see them through a window with masks on and not even be able to hug them. So I can't wait until we can. All right, Sandy is watching, and I'm trying to make the keto cracker, and I'm making it a hot mess. I don't know how you did it. Will you post your beautiful photo on my wall so that everybody can see the finished product that you made, not me? Because mine's probably going to end up, I don't know what we're going to do. I'm not sure because they look crumbly and messy. So I almost need to phone a friend. Like, Sandra, how do I do this? Because it's really bad. She said that her batter was supposed to give her 3 dozen. I'm going to get like 8, you know? So again, I'm going to put you out of your misery and me out of my misery, and I'm going to end this. And I'm doing it from my laptop. I've never done that before. So, hey, 1 second. Let's just see, just for the heck of it, if I can add somebody to this fiasco. Who wants to be added? Let's see. Sandra, can I invite you? I can't. I don't know how to do it. Obviously, the tutorial was not very good. All right, you guys, stay physically distant while staying socially connected virtually. Have a good night. Oh, I need to use, wait a minute. Let me try it this way. Philip. Nope, it's not going to work. Okay. That was horrible. I'm cracking my, I don't know how to do that. Is it off? Hopefully I'm off.
Yeah, I don't see you.
Oh my God, that was hilarious. Well, better know how to do this by tomorrow.
I would go back to a tried and true something.
There is none yet. Oh, that was embarrassingly horrid.
Yeah, but people knew you were trying to.
How do you get people to join it? That just...
It sounded easy.
Right?
Can I freshen something up? I don't know what you have. And I have some bottles of stuff out here, practically every bottle. And I haven't wanted to drink the last little bit of any of them. Every single one is like that. Except I have a brand new bottle. I guess you get rid of this one, so I don't have 2 of them up there now. This was the Balvenie you got me last year, honey.
Huh. Wow.
And you did get that good for a good price. Oh, did you bake them?
No, I can't even get him to... Oh, wait a second. Am I still live? I think I'm still live, Philip.
That's how much I've been saving for months. That's all there was.
I'm still live. This